So far, we've been able to go and sample. Okay, first of all, from the information in the labs, which is the lab analysis results, we were shocked to find out that most of the soils have high acid saturation. Well, it is expected because the area is a high rainfall area, meaning that the more rainfall that comes, it leaches your other cations, leaving behind high acid conditions. So when I'm talking of acidity, I'm talking about the simple scale that we learned in agriculture, standard 7, whereby it moves from 1 to 14. And in the middle is your neutral. So anything that is less than 7, we call that acidic. And then anything more than 7 on that scale will be your alkali. So we found that a lot of our soils are in the acid end of the scale, and very far in the acid end of the scale. And that is from the analysis, the lab analysis results. And then we went specifically now and we sampled in a radius of I believe it was 50 kilometers away from the red hub, the actual red hub. So we're targeting fields that are close to the red hub, because our thought is that if they're close to the red hub, then it's easy for them to take their maize to the red hub. So we want to start there, and then we can move forward from there. So of all the soils that we sampled during that exercise, we found that all of the topsoils were actually acidic.